Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we have another sneaker, another review. If you're new to the channel, guys, please hit the subscribe button. You know the grind this year is 100,000. Also, follow me on Instagram, which is down below in the description. It's linked. You don't have to do nothing. I made it easy for my lazy people. What's the vibes today, man? As you see, we have a pair of SB Dunk Highs, and these are the Paul Rodriguez, man. So shout out to all of my SB guys out there. SBs are a staple of the sneaker community. I always love SBs, dunks, whether the lows, whether the highs, and I'm really known for like reviewing a lot of the SBs, even though SBs really don't get that much love in the sneaker community these days. Don't take it wrong, I think SBs is kind of like the phone posit, just because at one point in time we loved it. Like we camped for it, we went crazy for them. We all know the story of the pigeon SBs. Is like certain things just cannot go without being recognized. And even though foams only took a liking to certain people, it was way bigger than it is now today. And that's why it kind of reminds me of the SB wave, because SBs were everything at some point in time, or at least one point in time. And now a lot of people just look over them unless they're super hyped with some type of major collab like Supreme or of course Off-White, which really makes me mad because I wanted those Off-White dunks so bad. I don't even want to bring it up, bro. I don't even want to bring it up. Oh my goodness, man, I wanted those so bad. And you know your boy Snipe, I don't pay resale, so that's just an L I'm gonna have to take to the grave with me, and that one's gonna sting the most, man. So if anybody out there is nice enough, you know what I'm saying? If anybody is wants to donate a pair for a retail price or around retail, I will buy them today. Don't know who's gonna be watching this, but like I said, it's a lot of SB fans out there. So if y'all want to support your boy, give them to somebody who's gonna cherish them joints, any colorway, bro. Like any colorway. It don't have to be retail. It can be a little bit over. I can't do nothing more than that. Anyways, guys, as I was saying, if you are an SB fan or ever owned an SB in your life, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. Without further ado, guys, let's get into this SB Dunk High Paul Rodriguez. Here we have it, man. This is your Nike SB box. And unlike the rest of the Nike SB boxes, man, you never really know what you're gonna get. Sometimes you might get this teal colorway and white. Sometimes you might get like the half and half teal and black. Sometimes you might get an orange box. It really do depends on the sneaker. This pair right here is not in my size, so it's actually given to us by the homie I'm So ATL. If you guys are interested in any sneakers or picking up any sneakers, she can definitely take care of you. She gets about everything, literally everything. I will link her IG down below. It's the best way to contact her. Tell her that your boy Snipe Jones sent you. So as I was saying, this SB Dunk High is a quick strike, so a lot of people might not have been able to get these. These actually released yesterday, January 21st, for the retail price of $125. That's another huge reason why the SB Dunks are popular and why we love them, because as much as we love clean sneakers, I don't like paying that big price. Okay, so retail price of $125 is almost unheard of when it comes to a good shoe. A lot of my guys out there who looking for a nice shoe that's in a good price range, definitely check out the SB. It's stylish, it's cool, and it's not that expensive like a 194 Jordan or 254 foam. You get what I'm saying? So man, let's check these out right off the bat. Here we have the Nike SB Paul Rodriguez, man. This is the Dunk High model. Very, very nice, man. As you can see, you can look at the colorway. I know I'm behind like back here, but I'm gonna just let y'all look at the shoe for a second. This sneaker is completely dominated in the Mexican colorway, because that is where Paul Rodriguez is from, and they definitely wanted to spread some of that culture on this sneaker. So a cool thing about this shoe, man, is Paul Rodriguez is a huge boxing fan. So what they decided to do was actually put a boxing ring, like an actual boxing belt, I'm sorry, an actual championship belt on the bottom lace lock right here on the sneaker. Of course, y'all know I'm giving y'all all up close details about the shoe. First hand, it just looks like a Christmas shoe. This could be something that SB decided to do for a Christmas release, because it definitely had those Christmas vibes. But indeed, it's actually just a nice little commemoration to his heritage and where he's from in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? If your boy Snipe Jones was ever able to collab with SB, I probably had some Cleveland Brown colorways, some wine and gold for the Cavs or something like that. I don't know, I'm just throwing that out there. SB, if y'all want to holler at your boy, I'm free. But the sneaker actually doesn't resell for too much. I believe like the last time I looked, it was in a size 12, which is my size, for about less than $200. And I said it retails for $125. So if anybody's interested in these and you have not picked them up yet, they still are available. However, they did sell out on Nike Sneakers app pretty fast. I'm not really surprised. Whenever a nice SB goes on Sneakers app, they kind of sell out fast, whether it be resellers or people who actually wanted the shoe. But regardless, you know your boy Snipe, man, I'm gonna give y'all the full breakdown of the sneaker. The thing that I really liked is how they have the Paul Rodriguez right here on the tongue, but it's not like your regular logo. It's almost like that boxing ring logo, like an Everlast or something like that. You definitely get like a boxing vibe. I think they did a great job with collaborating with Paul Rodriguez. And for people who don't know who he is, he's like a legendary skateboarder. And skateboarding and SBs go hand in hand because it's a skateboarding shoe. A lot of stores didn't even have this. Like, in order to get these in stores, you probably have to go to like a lot of skateboard shops and skateboard stores to even figure out where to cop these, because it's not something you'll just see at a Foot Locker or a Finish Line. If you guys did not pick them up on the actual sneakers app, it was kind of a hard find. I ain't gonna hold you. And also, one thing I do have to say is, one thing I love about SB is a lot of their sneakers have great quality. Now, this shoe might not look like it has the best quality, but I'm gonna try to focus in on the side panel, even on the back heel, man. It's some great quality, even right here on the toe box. I'm gonna just let this shoe kind of come in. Maybe you can see it's all perforated, man. The toe box is amazing. The side panel by the Nike swoosh is amazing. Even like right here on the back of the sneaker as well, on the heel. This material is A1. So starting off on your outer sole, you get this Nike SB classic outer sole, once again draped in that Mexican colorway of the green, white, and red. And you'll see that Nike SB stamped in the middle of the sneaker. Going up to the midsole is a completely white dominated midsole, and it's nothing too much to see here. It's your classic SB Dunk high silhouette. Now moving up to the uppers is where you get that great material I was telling you guys about. The toe box included is just great material. Very soft, very plush, almost like that great Air Jordan 1 leather that we all love. The toe box is completely trimmed in this red outer line. It looks very good because it definitely coincides with the white. Moving up to the side panel of the shoe, you get this huge green Nike swoosh that also has great material as well going around the side. So what you see is the green Nike swoosh intersecting that red outer line, and it gives it a great clash of color. Another cool thing that you can notice, as I said, on the bottom outer sole, but when you're looking at the shoe standing up, is the front of the toe box is actually red on the bottom and it's green on the back. So when you're wearing the shoe, it definitely has like this half and half type thing going on, with like the toe box being red and the rest of the shoe being isolated by the green colorway on the bottom outer sole. Told you guys earlier, Paul Rodriguez is a huge boxing fan. I think like in all these places like Mexico, Tijuana, a lot of people pride themselves on boxing. A lot of great boxes come out of these places. So indeed, you do see like a championship belt on the bottom lace lock. Definitely a great touch if you ask me. Could have easily been like a skateboard, something easy like that, but he decided to go another route and go back to the heritage more than about itself. Once again, guys, you see the Paul Rodriguez right here on the tag of the sneaker, on the tongue, and it says Nike Skateboard Professional, because at the end of the day, he's a professional skateboarder. He's legendary. Me personally, I've never skateboarded in my life. You know what I'm saying? I think I tried like once and I rolled down the hill. Yeah, it wasn't for me. I think I tried like rollerblading once and I fell out of the skating ring in front of a bunch of girls. So yeah, it wasn't for me. I almost tried ice skating once, but I remember what happened when I tried rollerblading and skateboarding. So I ain't even go through with it. Going on the back heel, guys, what you'll see is the beginning of that Nike swoosh from the back heel going all the way around the side panel. And like I said, man, it's just a great shoe if you ask me. What's kind of cool is if you flip this over to the inverted side, that green Nike swoosh that's on the main side is a white Nike swoosh on this side. So they kind of gave it like this flip-flop colorway. But if you put both shoes together, you'll see two green outer soles on both sides. Now, I know you guys cannot see the actual insole, but the insole definitely has the Paul Rodriguez, the same logo that's right here on the tongue. It has it on there as well. It also has some more commemorable pieces about Mexico on the insole as well. I've never been to Mexico. I had an opportunity, but it just didn't pan out. You know what I'm saying? If I do go, I'll probably throw a pair of these on. I might get some love out there in Mexico. You never know. Anyways, guys, this is your Paul Rodriguez Nike SB Dunk High. Please let me know what you think about these. Is it worth copping? Is it worth paying resale? Do you like this sneaker better in person than you actually thought you liked on picture? One thing I love about doing reviews, you can't really call this early because it already released, but one thing I can say I love about doing sneaker reviews is so many people watch my channel and they see that shoes look better in video on foot than they'll do in a picture, and it actually makes people go out and want to pick up these sneakers. If that was you, then let me know down below in the comment section. I'll always reply. Yes, man, that is pretty much it. This is what you have with the Paul Rodriguez SB. Once again, guys, smash that like button if you enjoyed these sneakers or if you want to see more SB content, because your boy will have it. Also, follow me on Instagram down below. We're super close to 20K. I appreciate it if you did that. And that just about wraps it up for me, man. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.